Hello YouTube, it is that time again. That's right, the BRoll Smackdown August Urban Edition. And I'm really pumped about this one. I've been waiting for it for a while. We have 8 amazing content creators who are primed and ready to show you what they can do. I'm so excited about this. We also have lots of awesome prizes on the line this month. Your channel, if you win, will get a feature on Panic D videos. It will get a feature on Needs More Subs. And courtesy of Niche Fam TV himself, you will also receive a $25 Visa gift card. I mean, unbelievable. I'm so excited. This means you're gonna have 2 brackets of 4 competitors each. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna tell you how you can vote right at the end of this video. So let's roll them bumps. Caleb S. Bot. McGee Films. Clint Moore. I know it's almost impossible to choose just one, but you're gonna have to. And you wanna go ahead and vote right here by clicking this little eye that just popped up. And if it didn't pop up for you, all you have to do is tap the screen on your phone or click the video on the PC and select the little circle with the letter I in it, and it will drop down the names of the competitors in this bracket. You just vote for the one you liked most, and bada bing, you're done. It's gonna be awesome. I am really excited about this month's BRoll Smackdown, and we have such unbelievable competition. So if you haven't voted in the other bracket, please make sure you do, and go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I'll see you in an hour for the live show.